Hello everyone, it's Just a Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this mold and mildew stain cleaner. So it does come with one little glove that's deep down inside that box that comes with it. You're going to take this cap off. There is a seal. You're going to cut the seal. Then you're going to put this applicator tip on. And it's got a little cap that you can take off. Now it's got a hole already in it and we can squeeze this out. It is like a gel. Now it does say you're supposed to use some gloves. You're not supposed to get this on your skin. You're supposed to dry the area first, then apply. You can wait up to 3 to 5 hours, and then you're supposed to rinse it with a damp cloth. And make sure you don't use it with any other cleaning products. Okay, so here I'm at my washing machine. I got some mold kind of in here growing, kind of up on this seal a little bit. I'm going to first try this one on this side. Now you'll notice it comes out like a gel, and it kind of stays there. I'm going to take like a towel or something and kind of wipe it up and down on there so it can sit there for a little bit, and then I'm going to wipe it back off later.